asshole out there who didn't believe me that I could run a Briggs & Stratton with no ignition. He's trying to say that the spark was jumping this huge fucking gap. And we all know damn well magnetrons don't have it fucking power to do that. So what I'm gonna do, just to prove this prick wrong, I'm taking the magnetron right the fuck off. There. How the fuck are we gonna have ignition now, asshole? Was it gonna make a spark jump all the way over here when there's no fucking magnets? Prick. Alright, where's my shit?
Look at the fucking oil burning on there.
Where's my diesel fuel shit? Oh, there it is. Alright. Gonna give it a shot of this. We're gonna give it a shot of catalyst. Now I'm gonna explain this again. A catalyst, what it does is it lowers the energy needed to create a chemical reaction. So basically it'll make the gasoline fire at a much lower temperature, so it'll fire under the compression when the engine's hot. So watch, this fucker will start. Is my fucking point clear now, you prick? No coil at all.
Yeah, it won't run long without that.
I think my point has been made. You can make a Briggs & Stratton run with no ignition. It's running for about 30 seconds with no fucking coil. Now we're gonna give it an ignition system for its birthday.